All right, so welcome back. We are on episode 3 of the foundation wear test. Yeah, I feel like I have to get the same intro every time, but just in case somebody's tuning in for the first time, so I think it's best that I repeat myself. So yeah, I would just say I'm gonna leave the link down at the bottom. I did a really big haul for Ulta and bought a lot of foundation, and then I realized that I bought a lot of foundations for this year alone that I have yet to try some of the foundations. So we're doing a wear test on all of them, so yay. So if you're looking for a foundation, you might want to stay tuned because I'm pretty sure I'm going to test whatever you might be curious about. So yeah, so today we're going to be trying out the Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. I'll be honest, I have tried this already a few times and I do love her. The only thing that I did not come to the realization of the benefits of this foundation, like I didn't read it, I just plopped it on my face and started wearing it. And I also didn't pay attention to the longevity of her. So we're gonna be paying attention to both of those things that I just mentioned. So I'm on the Ulta website. This has a lot of reviews. Whoa, 4,532 reviews, coming in at a 4.1. Like I said, this is a really good foundation. This retails for $38, and this does come in a variety of 31 shade options for my girls. So my shade in particular, I am WN125, which is mahogany. I feel like that's my name in a lot of my foundation is mahogany. And I think what's the other one? Mocha. It was like always like my shade names, I feel like sometimes. All right, so a little quick summary about this foundation. It says the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer Makeup is a foundation and a concealer in one for a natural look that lasts for 24 hours. Okay, so skin types. This is good for dry combination oily, or just oily. I'm oily combo. It says it is a full coverage. The finish of it is natural. So usually natural foundations is like not a matte but not hydrating. It's kind of like they say, like a natural, like in between for both. It's a lightweight moisturizing foundation, and the concealer makeup covers thoroughly without clogging the pores. It's skin breeze comfortable. Color stays true, meaning it doesn't oxidize, and I do agree that it does not oxidize. It says even through sweat and humidity, it does not change up. Due to the rich pigment level that enhances this flawless coverage, makeup shades may appear deeper when first applied. I never paid attention to that, but now I'm gonna be eyeing it. I'm like, It says once blended completely and allowed to dry, Beyond Perfecting Makeup will melt into your skin for a beyond perfect, flawless look. A little goes a long way. And one thing I will say on why I really like Clinique products as well, because this brand is mainly leaning towards skincare products. So I feel like when you have a makeup line that's kind of like a skincare line as well, I feel like they really pay attention to the actual products, and they're not putting so much toxics and stuff that's in some of these foundations. Like they really do pay attention and try to cater to more of a natural skincare type of foundations, but also still give you that full coverage. So that's what I will give Clinique that. So I would definitely give Clinique their props on that, because I have a few things that I do favor from them, and we're going to be using them today so I can show you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So Clinique has a really good pore perfecting primer that I think I definitely did a review wear test on, but I'm over here looking for her. I have no clue where she's at. I'm trying to think. I think I packed her up and went somewhere with her, and I just can't remember where, but she's nowhere to be found. But I wanted to use her for the sake of me using Clinique products, but I don't know where she's at, you guys. So we're gonna have to go in with a different primer, but that really sucked because I really like that primer. So if I can't find it, most likely I'm gonna have to buy it again, because that's how good she is. Like, I will definitely repurchase her. So instead, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Good Vibes Only Soft Velvet Primer, and I did a full-on wear test on this primer. So if you guys want to know more about her and how she holds up, definitely check that out. But I'm just gonna pop it on my skin. y'all know I got really bad smile lines, so I am going to pop a primer as well, an eyeshadow primer on my smile line. Alright, one thing I will say that I kind of sort of don't like about this foundation is the applicator of it. I like a good pump, squeeze me type of foundation, but not the brush. Especially if you're doing like client makeup, like I feel like the sanitary of this is just not safe, but this is why I always go in with cleansing my face and everything first. So yeah, that's my only critique about that, but I guess that's the same thing with the concealer though too, right? I know I'm saying it out loud. Yeah, anywho. Now that I said it out loud, I was like, well, we do the same thing with the concealer, so yeah, I guess. But yeah, but as you can see, it's very a good skin match. You see that, right? Yes. So I did half of my face so you guys can see the difference. Looks like my freaking skin, but just enhanced. Yeah, okay. And one thing I will say about this foundation as well, I like to apply her with either a brush or a sponge. There's certain foundation where I feel like you gotta use one or the other, but this one, I feel like you can go either way and you're still gonna get like that airbrush filter look because it's such a soft, natural, blendable foundation. So you're gonna get that, girl. Look at that. This is my skin. Like I feel so confident when I wear this foundation. Like I'm like, I know I'm not gonna have any breakouts. Like she gonna hold me. She gonna hold me down. Let's go ahead and finish up the face. I love this foundation. I really do. Look at this. It looks so, my skin looks so healthy. I feel like with certain foundations, especially if it's not my correct skin shade or if it's not my correct like finishing, I have to do extra. Like for me, I am very comfortable with using this foundation by itself to where I don't have to put concealer underneath the eyes. And I think that's why it takes the place for a foundation plus a concealer, because I feel like it does give you that coverage to where you're confident enough to where you don't have to do concealer underneath the eyes. But of course, y'all know I'm a makeup girl. So I'm gonna do it all, but I just want to say if you're looking for like a go-to foundation, maybe for my moms on the go, or it's also a good foundation for my AM girls, like Alright, quick little timestamp. It is 1:49 p.m. I will come back later on tonight to show you guys how she does hold up. I am going to work, so I will be doing some moving around and sweating and all the other good stuff to really show you guys how she holds up. But I have a feeling she's gonna be good because I wear her a lot and I just don't remember the finishing of how she looks throughout the day. But we're gonna pay close attention to her today, so I'll be back in a few. All right, I'm back, so let's go ahead and get a quick timestamp. It is 9:08. So I think I had this foundation on for about a good, if I'm doing my math right, about a good 8 hours and some change. You see how she looks, right? Zoom in, camera, zoom in. Yes, honey, Besides my cheeks being oily, I will say my face looks amazing. So this is one of the reasons why I was clinging to this foundation, because it really is a good freaking foundation. Like smile lines look good, like this looks really good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little blot. Do y'all see this? It's giving full retouched up face. Do y'all see this? Let's look. Are we looking at the results? Yes, right? Okay, yes. Yeah, I would definitely say if you're looking for a good foundation that's going to be more of a good skincare type of foundation, that's going to be more of a natural skin-like foundation, do not sleep on Clinique. Clinique is where it's at. Now that I have done a wear test for this foundation, I do see why I kind of like gravitate and cling to this foundation as well, because she really is a good freaking foundation. Look at this, honey. Skin look healthy and brand spanking new. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have tried this foundation out, let me know if you guys had the same benefits, the natural skin like type of foundation. Like, let me know if you guys have gotten the same results. I'm very happy and pleased with this foundation. I'm just gonna say that. So just keep an eye out if you are looking to try this foundation. I'm pretty sure Ulta will have some sort of a Clinique sale going on. So just keep your eye out. So anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.